How to handle menus in Playwright. Let me show you a simplest way with the code. Okay, this is my code, and I have created one single test method and mouse hover test, and I just write a code that await page dot go to. This is my target URL. So I used SpiceJet.com, and I used await page dot get by text. I checked that the add-on is there while hover into that add-on, and once I hover on the add-on, this reveals the hidden drop down without clicking. Okay, and next I check that page dot get by text extra seat is there, and I need to be click over this. Okay, so let's run this one, and finally the extra seat is there. Let me show you in, let's open this URL. My test case is already passed, but I want to show you that in website. So this add-on is there. Whenever I hover this one, I need to go to a extra sheet. I need to click over there, and a new page is opened. So my test case is already passed for same. So try this pattern for any hover, and drop a comment if you have any if you face any issues. Thank you.